Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen tells us about major depression.
Approximately 16% of the Jamaican population suffers from major depression. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says the numbers increase among older persons. Persons with diabetes, hypertension, and other medical conditions will also experience major depression.
And in our population and around the world, there's also an increased incidence of suicidal thoughts and suicide. And this is one of the serious implications of long depression, that people kill themselves. This is a fatal outcome. And most individuals that kill themselves, commit suicide, will suffer from major depression. Now, if you have problems, any of the problems above, then you need to do something about it.
Persons often feel sad, have sleepless nights, loss of appetite, or on the other hand, eat more and gain weight.
And you not able to keep yourself as tidy as you used to do, not being able to put on the lipstick or the nail polish. You stop all of that, not doing your hair and your shoes not tidy, etc. So you stop self-care. Concentration is down. And then you move on to, if some people get very irritable, the very least things you fly off the handle and you are not tolerating the normal stresses of life.
Medication, talk therapy, and managing your stresses are ways to deal with major depression. But the psychiatrist says if individuals realize that the symptoms persist, they need to seek medical attention.
Ask 2 questions. During the past 2 weeks, have you been having problems with not enjoying life? During the past 2 weeks, have you been having problems with feeling depressed? And if the answer to that is yes, then the physician is asked to do an in-depth screening to make the diagnosis. And the treatment for diabetes, over 90% of people will get better, and they talk about it like walking out of a fog into the sunshine.
And if you're suffering from major depression, remember to seek medical attention. Join a support group, reduce alcohol intake, exercise, and eat healthy. With your health reports, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.